Hello everyone and very welcome to my YouTube channel Laiba's English Corner. In our today's video, we are going to discuss part number 2 of past tense, which is past continuous tense. We will discuss the structure and we will have a different examples to make our concept crystal clear. Along with it, we will discuss the three different types of past continuous tense, which is affirmative, mean all the simple sentences, mean they will follow the simple structure. Negative, in which we will use not. And the last one is interrogative, in which we will ask question. So this is the content of today's video. So before moving forward to our video, it's my request to subscribe my channel Laiba's English Corner for further English, grammatical and educational videos on the daily basis. So without wasting any time, we will start with the past continuous tense part 1, which is affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are the simple sentences in which we will follow the same structure of past continuous tense. Remember that whenever we will have a word continuous, so we will use first form of verb and ing. Doesn't matter it is present tense, past tense or future tense. If there is present continuous tense or past continuous tense or past perfect continuous tense, so whenever there will be the word continuous, verb first form plus ing will be used. Now we will use the same structure and we will make the sentence. I was playing cricket. Now I, the subject, was were is the helping verb of past continuous tense. Now play is the first form plus ing mean playing, cricket is an object. So remember that object is not compulsory, we can also omit object, okay? So I was playing cricket is the correct sentence. Second is they were dancing in the club. So we have to use was with the singular and were with the plural, okay? Remember this thing in your mind. They were dancing in the club. Shazia was washing the clothes. So Shazia name was washing, wash first form plus ing, the cloth is an object. And dancing, dance is the first form plus ing, in the club is an object. So this is the affirmative sentences in which we have to follow the simple structure of past continuous tense. Now we will make the negative sentences. Remember one thing, in negative sentences, we just have to use not after the helping verb. This is the simple structure. We just have to use was and verb. After that, we have to use not and that's all. So subject plus was and were plus not plus first form of verb plus ing plus an object. One thing we have put not after the helping verb was and were. So now we will make some examples to make our concept crystal clear. Example is she was not playing football. So she is a subject. Was will be used because it is singular subject. Not will be used because we are making the negative sentences. Play first form plus ing. Playing football is an object. So this is the proper sentence. Second example is we were not eating chicken. So we is a subject. We will use were here because we is plural. Not because the negative sentence eat is the first form plus ing, eating chicken is an object. Third example is I was not thinking about you. I is a subject. Was because I is singular, not negative is used, think first form plus ing, about you. About you is not a proper object, but I say earlier that we can omit object and we can put extra things because this is of higher level. So at higher level, we don't need object at compulsory thing. We can add multiple things at the end, like the prepositional phrases, modifiers, complements, and many more. Third type of the past continuous tense is the interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, we ask questions. So at the end, you must have to put question mark because if you will not put question mark at the end, you may lose your marks. So in interrogative sentences, when you have to ask the question, what you have to do, you simply have to put the helping verb in the start. So the helping verb of past continuous tense is was and were. So we will start our sentence with was, were plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus an object. So we will make some examples to make your concept crystal clear. So the example is was he writing a letter question mark. Was is a subject. Was is a helping verb, he is a subject, so he is singular, so we will use was with it. Write plus ing, writing a letter is an object. At the end, put the question mark. In the second example, Were you working in the hospital? Remember that we can use were with you because were is always used with you and the plurals. So, were you work first form plus ing in the hospital, the object or the modifiers. So, this is the correct example. At the end, must put the question mark because if you will not, you may lose your marks. Third is, was Ali singing in the rain? So was Ali, Ali is singular because it's the name of a boy. So was Ali singing, sing plus ing in the rain. Okay, so was Ali singing in the rain? At the end, you have to put the question mark. So in today's video, we had discussed the past continuous tense. We will discuss all the three structures. So subscribe my channel for further English, grammatical and educational videos on the daily basis. I will provide the link of full-fledged video of 1 hour in which you will learn the tenses in detail, and I also put the link of the playlist in which you can scroll down and see multiple tenses video. So thank you so much. Subscribe my channel. At the end, remember one thing, practice make a man perfect. So, a practice exercise for you which you have to do by yourself. In the practice exercise, what you have to do, you have to make some multiple sentences. So, at least you have to make 5 sentences of affirmative, negative, and interrogative. So, you can check them from Google or you can also comment down below. I will check them for you. Just follow the same structure and make the sentences. Thank you so much.